Why you always in the mood? Mess around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything looks better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Mess around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it.
How to use the L and triangle keys on the seat, media and motorbike tank. All materials are tools to open the seat and gas tank among other. So, L size 5 lock, 6 8 triangle. Lock how? Number 1. Prepare the L key and triangle key first. Number 2. Take the L key and open the L bolt using the L key by turning it if it is on the right. It means the key is turned to the left. The face first if it is the right. Then rotate the bolt to the left or rotate it down or up depending on the position of the bolt. Notice. Do the same thing on the side. Number 3. If you have removed the bolt, slowly remove the seat part of the motorbike. If the motorbike seat has been removed, put the motorbike seat aside in a safe place. Number 4. Prepare a 6 triangle key. Number 5. Then insert the key and the 6 8 bolt as above. If the bolt is above, it means turn the bolt to the left so it can be released. Number 6. After starting to release, rotate the bolt until it is tagged. Detach the bolt. Number 7. Then we skirt the gas line first because our goal is to open the seat on the motorbike tank. Number 8. Turn the gas tap so that the fault line is off. Then pull the gas hose from the faucet to spread it from the motorbike tank. Number 9. After that, pull the motorbike tank backward slowly and surely until it is released. Objective and benefits. 1. We can open the seat and of the motorbike are safe in the event of a problem with the motorbike. Whether it is the electric motor battery, coil, flasher, dan lain-lain, we can fix in ourselves without having to go to a repair shop.
Thank you very much.